Okay, we're back. Found your nut.
All right, which one?
You only got one. Screw that sucker on there. Does it still go on?
Beautifully.
Good, you didn't screw up the shaft. Perfect. You lucked out. All right, put your nut over there. We might need it down the road. Right there. It goes right there. So, see, when you buy the correct tools, they work. You buy the junk tools, they kind of work, but they cause issues. Pretty soon these threads are going to strip out of here too, and then the whole thing will be junk. But at least you got grade 8 bolts instead of grade butter. And you got a good tool. Well, at least one part. You saved a lot of money there.
I did. Trust me, I did.
Yeah, I can tell. It's a piece of crap. So that's why you buy the good one over there. Then you can rent it to your buddies, and they'll screw it up for you. Because they bought that cheap one.
How many times do you think I'm going to use this? I don't know. I've used it twice already, so, you know.
You're on 2, and you got 2 bikes that use the same thing. One's red, one's blue. Yeah, I don't know about the Honda over there, but it might take one too. I don't know.
Transo.
Okay, we're done with that piece of crap.
All right, we can put this away.
Okay, we're done with the shift works again. Those are junk.
The reinstaller as well, whenever there comes time for that.
Okay, now we need to get this off. Now, we can use a hydraulic press, so we can try the fancy tool over here.
All right. Let's take it for a spin. Should be fun.
Well, we already tried the Jim's tool. You didn't like it. Okay, how's this thing work? Did you read the instructions yet? I'm thinking that we're going to need these and this. I think this is probably for assembly, and these are for disassembly. And this goes for both. This is heavy. It's made out of real metal. You have to figure out which way it goes. You got any bolts for this? I'd find some bolts. You got some bolts?
When's it come out of this?
I don't know. Okay, small holes go on the bottom. That looks like it lines up that way. I have no idea what these 2 bolts are for. They don't line up with nothing. Maybe that's for a 6-speed. Why don't you bring the bucket over here? It's easier. Okay, we're going to have to take all these screws out of the side cover before we do that. So let's get these screws out over here. Just leave the bucket.
What do you want to do?
Get all the hardware off. Okay. You got the 3/16 Allen and the 1/4 inch. And the noisemaker.
And the noisemaker.
Is that loose?
Yeah, it was real loose.
Did you have an oil leak? Couldn't find?
I mean, there's oil leaks all over this. Look, it's covered in oil.
Okay.
It's leaking from every orifice.
Okay, pull those 2 screws out. Quit screwing around. Well, if your screws are loose, maybe that's why it leaks. If you keep screwing it, still don't come out any further. Okay, now you need a big one. What was the 1/4 inch one I told you to get? He asked why they had these lines here on top of the teeth. That identifies that those gears go together. Other than that, I don't know why they did it. It's probably because it's got the fine tooth pitch gear teeth instead of the coarse pitch, but they changed that in '94. So maybe that's why, if you're too stupid to figure out a coarse from a fine, they had a mark on it. Do you think Harley would do something like that?
Okay.
Did it fall off yet? The bracket, dumbass.
Bracket? What are you talking about?
What do you think that steel thing is
Oh,
hanging on
this
top of that?
bracket.
What do
Well,
you
it's
think
not
that
gonna
steel
fall.
thing with
This
aluminum?
thing?
Well, what do you think that is?
It's a bracket, but it's got bolts on it. It's certainly not falling off.
Well, maybe it should come out of the way so we can take the tranny apart? Just to be different? I'm pretty sure that steel bracket's not part of that aluminum trap door.
That is true.
I figured you'd figure that out, but you know. It is late. Why don't you put that in the filthy box? That's filthy. Yeah, the bolt probably is too. Don't worry about it. Leave that in there. You're gonna lose it. What are you taking it out for? You're gonna lose it. Why would you do that?
Well, because I put all the fucking hardware over here.
It ain't going anywhere. That bolt's got to be clean. That's got to be clean. That's dirty box, clean box. Are all the holes out now?
Yeah, we got all the bolts out.
Good.
Is everybody?
Okay, where's that 1/4" bolt you had? That's 5/16, the big one. Does that fit in the plate? No?
Nope.
How about the bottom? Good. That takes 1/4" hardware. Okay, go find me the 1/4" bolts, 2 inches long. Resemble the side cover bolts that are missing. That could hold the cover on. This cover. And I gotta find some, let me get these opened up somehow. Unopened.
Primary stuff.
Find it? There's my tripod. I found my tripod.
Oh, easy.
We're gonna have to go.
See what we're looking for?
Sure. These threads aren't happy with each other. Where's your oil at? Load me up, sir. Give me some on the other side. All right. Jeez,
It's stringy shit out of them.
that's some oily, messy crap there.
I'm gonna buy the stuff that you like after I'm done with it, but I bought 3 bottles. I'm not gonna throw it away, you know?
You're not gonna throw it away.
Permatex.
Permasucks?
Ultra Slick.
Permasuck?
What was the product you said you like to use?
Torco.
Torco?
I know somebody has that.
What's that?
I know somebody sells that.
I know so. You know somebody?
I know somebody.
You should let them know I'm looking for it. Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. He might still have something in too.
I should have put this back in the box to remind myself. Lessons learned from
To not use a zip gun on it?
Don't use a zip gun.
I would never do that. Never. Okay, Mr. Zip Gun, never. Where's your bolts at? Put one in there.
We're going to the bottom, right?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
it is.
I'm trying to figure out how
Let me
this is gonna
take a
work.
look.
I have no idea how this is gonna work.
I got you.
It ain't gonna work there, I
Alright,
know
it'll
that.
work there.
I don't know if this tool's even gonna work at all because I have a doubt.
These threads are grody too.
Okay, line up something. Let's see what threads line up. I know there's 2 bolts that are going to do something, but that's a lot of torque for 2 bolts. They're not even screws. They're screws. They're not even bolts. They're just 1/4" inch. What are you doing? What'd you do that for? Put the darn screws in the hole.
Because I'm trying to.
What, you got a hole, you got a screw, shove it in it. Tighten the nut. Is it going in?
Kinda.
Kinda. Do any of them line up? Kinda. What's the other ones you got?
I just brought 2.
Why would you bring 2?
Because you asked for 2.
I bring over, says, bring over spag cover screws. I didn't ask for 2, I said screws. Got some more screws? I would get some more screws. You got any screws?
Those must.
Now, why is that going in so hard?
Because it's kind of, those threads were kind of gross, that's what it's saying.
Oh, so you mean you didn't put any glue on, you didn't put some lube on those first? I'd pull that back off and get the screws working. Pick that up, it's heavy. It's a lot of work. A lot of weight hanging on. What was that you sprayed on there?
CRC.
CRC. Where would you get that from?
She still don't like it though.
Who would sell you that? Pull the screw out. Get it out of there. Spray the screws. Don't spray the oil. You know, that stuff defeats the purpose of the lube that we got on the threads down there. Okay, where's your tool? I suggest you don't strip that out and cross thread it. So maybe I should do it instead of you. Just to be different. You got any taps? Quarter 20?
Yeah, I got taps.
How come we're not using taps?
2 seconds, I'm around.
They got screws. We don't have tabs because they have screws.
You ever got the tap?
Yeah, I already got this one in there. Got some more screws yet?
Yeah.
You didn't spray any lube in those holes, did you?
You did not.
Why would you not screw all the holes? It's alright. Too late now. Ain't gonna do nothing. It's on the outside edge.
Check that out, stick some in there.
It doesn't want to go in that hole. It's not happy. Yeah. It's already in there.
Lick it.
Lick it. I ain't looking at it. That's not a happy screw. Yeah. Screw. 2. Put lube on them yet?
Lube.
A whole bunch right here.
What's that?
A whole bunch right here.
Yep.
Put them in the hole, let's go. Put it in the hole, let's go, move. Put it in the hole and move. Put in hole, move. Put in hole, move. Good, good job.
I don't know if that's going in the right spot, Tatro. So before you start running that thing in there, it's not even, it's not lined up, it's not where it belongs.
Yeah,
None of that shit's lining up.
nothing lined up. Maybe this tool don't work. Semi, it's a semi in the right spot. An angle though. Precision. The other one.
It's on upside down. These holes down here would line up great. So you're not on the hole. We got this upside down. This needs to flip over. These are tighter. These are wider. See that? It's upside
Why
down.
did we get the one upside down there? You flipped around on me.
Oh, no.
This is narrow and that's wide. I already had narrow on the bottom. You flipped it on me.
Probably when I pulled it off. You know what I mean? Pulled it off to put the screws in.
Got flipped. You got flipped. What's wrong with the screw?
Still,
What's that noise I'm
I
hearing?
don't like it.
What's that noise I'm hearing
I
there?
don't want to play.
Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah.
Let go.